Welcome to the Benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of beets. Move over, kale. There's a new superfood in town, and it's red, round, and ready to revolutionize your health. Beets, once relegated to salads and pickles, are having a major moment. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and unique compounds that can transform your health. From lowering blood pressure to boosting athletic performance, beets offer a wide range of benefits. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Whether you prefer them roasted, juiced, or pickled, there's a delicious way to enjoy beets every day. This isn't just hype, it's backed by science. Researchers are constantly uncovering new and exciting health benefits of beets, making them a true powerhouse of nutrition. So, if you're looking for a natural and delicious way to improve your health, it's time to give beets a try. Get ready to beat the odds and experience the amazing transformation these ruby red gems can bring to your life. What makes beets so special? It all comes down to their unique nutritional profile. Beets are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, potassium, manganese, and vitamin C. But the real magic lies in their phytonutrients, powerful plant compounds that offer a wide range of health benefits. One of the most notable phytonutrients in beets is betalain. Betalains are responsible for the vibrant color of beets and possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are linked to chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Another key compound found in beets is nitrates. Don't let the name fool you. These nitrates are not the harmful kind found in processed meats. Dietary nitrates, like those in beets, are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major health concern, affecting millions of people worldwide. If left unmanaged, it can lead to serious complications like heart attack, stroke, and kidney disease. The good news is that incorporating beets into your diet can help keep your blood pressure in check. Studies have shown that drinking beet juice can significantly lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The nitrates in beets are responsible for this blood pressure lowering effect. When you consume beets, your body converts the nitrates into nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing pressure on your arteries. But the heart-healthy benefits of beets don't stop there. Beets are also a good source of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. And the potassium in beets plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Section 4. Beetroot for athletes. Unleash your inner champion. Looking for a natural way to enhance your athletic performance? Look no further than the humble beet. Beets have emerged as a popular sports nutrition supplement, and for good reason. The nitrates in beets can help boost stamina, improve endurance, and enhance recovery. How do beets work their magic on athletes? By increasing nitric oxide levels, beets improve blood flow to muscles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. This means you can train harder for longer without feeling as fatigued. Studies have shown that beet juice can improve running performance, increase time to exhaustion, and reduce the perceived exertion of exercise. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or a weekend warrior, incorporating beets into your diet can give you a competitive edge. So fuel up on beets before your next workout and experience the difference. Section 5. Brain-boosting beets. Sharpen your mind. Want a sharper mind and improved cognitive function? Beets can help with that too. As we age, our cognitive function naturally declines, increasing the risk of memory problems and neurodegenerative diseases. But the good news is that certain lifestyle factors, including diet, can help protect your brain and keep it functioning at its best. Beets contain a unique combination of nutrients that can benefit brain health. The nitrates in beets improve blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients essential for optimal cognitive function. Beets are also rich in antioxidants, which protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Section 6. Embrace the beet, your ticket to a healthier you. From boosting heart health to enhancing athletic performance and sharpening your mind, the health benefits of beets are undeniable. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and unique compounds that can transform your health from the inside out. Adding beets to your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy them roasted, juiced, pickled, or even raw in salads. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different ways to incorporate this nutritional powerhouse into your meals. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is about making sustainable changes that you can stick with long-term. Start by incorporating beets into your diet a few times a week and experience the amazing health benefits for yourself. Embrace the beet and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.